eyeballing me, they see the icon of me, wanna purchase my honesty. Nah, I can and I will tell the whole truth, cause if my hand's up or down, chances are they won't shoot. But if I was a couple shades darker in the parker and was reaching for a star, but stay and leave me with my dome loose. So do the fittest really survive, or do the powers that control us often really decide? Should all I know for certain now is that I really could rhyme. So tell whoever want whatever, New York City is mine. It's the most official booth body, you don't even ever play. Word to Mob Deep, just check what those first letters say. They be JK.